Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited you're here. I have 3 more entries for my summer giveaway. I have 5, 6, and 7. Woohoo! It's so exciting. So this is the details on how to enter if you'd like to enter, and I'm actually going to extend this to August 20th. Because I'm not going to pick a winner till August 31st. So I still think by the 20th, that'll give you plenty of time, even past that, honestly. The mail's been doing pretty good right now, knock on wood. So let's open up these entries and take a look at them. So we're going to take a look at this one. So there was no return address on here, but I love all the washi tape that she put on here. So I did sneak a peek, and it's from Sarah. And Sarah, if you're watching this, if you would email me your mailing address, because I want to mail you back a tag and a set of stickers. So I've been sending out this sticker set, and then I'm making tags also, and these are just a couple of examples of some tags. So I need your mailing address, Sarah. So if you could email it to me, I'll put my email down below so I can mail you your sticker sheet and your tag. All right, so let's read her. I love how she decorated up the guest check. So cute. All right, let's see. It says, Sandy, I recently went to an exhibit of Alfonso Micah's art. I'm sure I'm not saying that right. He is one of my favorite artists. I've included a couple postcards of his work. Oh, okay. That must be what these are. And used it in my tag as well. Thank you for your fun and inspiring videos. Oh, well, thank you, Sarah. I appreciate that. So this must be Alfonso Maria, is it Mocha? These are beautiful. Thank you so much. Wow. I have not heard of this artist, so I'll have to do a little research. And it's a poster in Monte Carlo, which is one of my favorite places. Oh my gosh, and look at her tag. Yes, okay, that looks just like, yeah, his style. That is very neat. I love the gold detailing you added here. Oh, and look at the tiny butterflies. That is really neat. And the embossing. Oh, I love this tag. Very nice. Love that. And then we have a fun little, oh, there's some items. I was going to say, look at this fun little popcorn bag, but there's also some stuff in here. Sarah, it's very sweet of you. You know I like vintage things. Oh, Guinness. I love that. A Guinness labels. Oh, look at the cute little dog stamp. And this is really cute. I love the stitching detail on here. That is I really like that a lot. I like very clean and simple. I like how you put the newspaper, or not the newspaper, but the book page behind the sticker. That's really cool. I like that a lot. And some other fun little ephemera bits. So cute. Oh, that's cute. A little typewriter. Oh, I love these kind of little tickets. Some old seals. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, this is such fun stuff to add to my stash. Oh, that's really cool. I love that. Marilyn Monroe. My mom always thinks of herself as Marilyn Monroe. Isn't that funny? I'll have to put that in a frame and put it over at her little apartment. I haven't seen that before. That's cool. Oh, I just love all these fun little bits. Little railway paper, some wallpaper. Oh, these are so cool. I love all this. Thank you so much. And good luck to you, Sarah, on the entry. And like I said, I need your mailing address to be able to mail you your tag and your stickers. So, all right. So we'll put that here, and then I want to write her name on the back. Write Sarah down here. And I'm going to have to poke a hole in her tag, her pretty little tag. But I think it'll go perfect right under that staple. There we go. Perfect. I love how chunky this little tag, ring bound tag journal. I don't know what to call it. Isn't it cute? I'm calling it a tag journal. I love it. Okay, so we'll put this back with Sarah's envelope. If you haven't entered yet, what is wrong with you? You need to enter. You're missing out on all the fun. All right, this is from Coop's Place Crafts, aka Erin, and such cute. I love how everyone has decorated their envelopes. So cute. And Erin, we've exchanged Happy Mail before. Oh, this is beautiful paper here. I love that. That's a fun way to wrap up your Happy Mail too. I like that. Sandy, thank you for hosting. I love tags. Erin, Coop's Place Crafts. If you don't follow her, you should follow her on YouTube. She has some of the cutest videos. And she was born in June. And she loves Halloween and coffee. Very nice. Very nice. She has her address on there. This is a beautiful tag. I love this little applique. So cute. And then Erin put her name on the back. Perfect. Little seam binding. So cute. Love that. So Erin, good luck to you, and I will send you off a tag and a little sticker sheet. Yeah, the sticker sheet, I just was wanting to create something that was kind of reminded me of summer, but also had like some journaling kind of themes, like with the books and the wax seal and the little paper clip, postage stamps. So I hope you all like your sticker sheet. All right, so next up we have Patty, and this is absolutely stunning. I love, oh, and this opens up. Oh, look at that. That is so cute. I love that. Oh, oops, let's see. Yep, so she's got her name and address on there. Perfect. And then we have a card. All right. Hi, Sandy. This is my first time to participate in one of your contests. Sadie, my cat, seems to like it because she kept sitting on my tag. I love that. She was born in Houston, Texas, and she was born in June, and then moved to Shreveport, Louisiana, then to Northridge, California, and then to Waco, Texas, and that's where she graduated from high school. Her dad worked for IBM, and her siblings said it stood for I've been moved, and that is so true, because back in the day, I knew some other people that worked for IBM, and they moved around a lot. She lives in a nursing home in Jacksboro, Texas for 5 years, and she's really new to crafting, and she does crafts such as junk journals, and she started two junk journals. Patty, that's great. She has glue books and diamond painting. Thank you for having the summer contest. and I like your channel very much. Oh, that is so sweet. I love that. And I am so glad that you're doing some junk journaling. That it's really addictive and fun, isn't it? I think so anyway. All right, so I'm going to poke a hole into her tag and add it onto my tag journal. I'm so excited. It's starting to get a little chunky, which I love. Look at that. It's so cute. I love splaying them out like this. That's so fun. And I have it hanging on my pegboard so I can look at it every day when I come in here. Oh my gosh, it is so cute, guys. Yes, here are the details. If you haven't entered, you still have plenty of time to enter. And as you can see, all you have to do is make a tag, send me a tag, be a subscriber on my YouTube channel, and be 18 years or older, and just get your entry in before I pick the winner on August 31st. I will be checking my P.O. box up until the 30th of August, so you got time. You can do it. Do it. Join the fun. And then I will send you some happy mail. I'll send you a tag and the sticker sheet, and then you'll have a chance to win $40 or $25 in a gift card. So I'm really excited. Thank you all. Let's see. So we have to thank Erin and Patty and Sarah for your entries. I love them so much. And guys, I will see you all in the next video. All right, guys, have a great day. And thanks again for all your love and support. I really appreciate it. Bye.